it's Eileen here, and thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I have some fall decor pieces that I wanted to share with you. But first, before I start, I want to ask you, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So for the project that is my favorite, but of course it takes the most time, I'm going to be using two of these truck signs, and I'm going to be using two of these white picture frames. To get started, the easy part is simply just, we're going to separate these two pieces, and that is really easy. You can just clip it off. So what we need to do is obviously unwrap them. You just take a little cotton pad and your nail polish remover and get this Relax or Dream or whatever one you're using off. It comes off real easy, as you could see. I'm gonna glue my two pumpkins on the trucks now together. Obviously, I'm gonna put the wrong sides together so that we have two right sides. And I have this fix-all from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use my hot glue gun so it sticks really fast. I also made a little twine bow because I don't wanna see this hole from where it had been hanging. So I'm gonna also glue that into place just to cover up the holes on each side. Alright, so I have glued these together, but I'm not too thrilled with how it looks here. I used a generous amount of glue, but it's not perfect to me. So I love the look of twine, and I'm going to just hot glue gun 2 rows or so of twine all around, just so you don't see that little bit of imperfection if you're looking real up close. And I'm gonna get to gluing on some twine just to finish off this edging in that, so that you don't see any cracks. So I ended up actually needing 5 layers of the twine around the sides here so that I could try and wedge this in so that it won't shake around in my frame. And then down here I put a little bit of hot glue just to keep it in place, a little bit extra. And I'm gonna do the same now at the top part. Now that everything is in place, I'm going to put my fix-all all the way around here and a dot of hot glue in each corner, and hold this tight. My double-sided frame is all complete. I absolutely love how this came out, and you could stand this up, lay it down as a tray, hang it. You could do whatever you want. So I also wanted to make use of these pumpkins that were around my truck, and I'm gonna wrap some twine around and then do a little bit of extra, and I'll show you how it came out. Using my hot glue and my twine, I'm gonna start wrapping and gluing, and I will start showing you guys. So doing the top part is probably the most challenging part, but really not that difficult. So what I did was I did wrap around and around, I did fill in a few spots because this isn't a perfect shape. And then at the very top, just to cover up, I went this way, and I actually thought the contrast looked great. And now the rest is you're home free. The rest is real simple, and I'm just gonna start gluing and wrapping. My pumpkin is finally done. It is completely wrapped in the twine, and this was time consuming, but I'm happy with how it came out. And I purchased these cute little decorative bows that I got from the Dollar Tree to my pumpkins, and we'll be all done. So the twined pumpkins are done with my little bow. I'm super excited how they turned out. I think they look so pretty. I just hung them here just on my wall just to show you guys, because we still need to paint and take care of these walls and pretty it all up. So moving along to my next fall decor project. Last night I had set up my floral arrangement, and when I woke up, I couldn't believe it. My flowers were all scattered about. My cats destroyed the pumpkins. I was so upset. So, what are you gonna do? I ran out to Walmart this morning. I picked up a few more bundles of flower arrangements at Walmart. They're 97 cents. This is a good deal here. I picked up with pumpkin, with the acorn and the gourd. This one has a little ball stuck in it. Another one of these leaves, and I'm gonna go put that together. So I have this galvanized tin vase from the Dollar Tree. I've added a little bit of twine all around, and now I'm gonna just fill this up with some gravel, and I'm gonna stuff my flowers in, and I'm gonna show you how my arrangement looks once it's done. So here's my floral arrangement. I think it looks so pretty. I'm happy with how it came out. This is mostly the Dollar Tree items, but I did get those few items from Walmart. I picked up these 3 candle holders to use to elevate the pumpkins, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray them white. So the next thing I had wanted to do for fall decor was I had sprayed these black candle holders I'd showed you white, and then I did touch them up by hand with some white chalk paint. There's a lot of nooks and crannies, so it was a little challenging getting all the black white, but I did it. And now I thought this would look super cute to glue on my pumpkins on my candlestick holders for some height and dimension. So I'm gonna use my hot glue gun and glue them on. So I picked up, this is meant to be a wall hanging you could do some decorating with at Walmart. This was just under $6, and I picked this up to use in the upside down way as a little tray for my fall decor. So I'm just going to kind of take these off, and I'm gonna add some felt down here because this is kind of rough, and so I don't want it to scratch up my surface. Here's how my tray came out. I have my pumpkins, my little salt and pepper owls from the Dollar Tree. I decorated with the floral moss and the acorns also from the Dollar Tree. Everything but the tray is Dollar Tree. And I think this looks super duper cute. I am not quite sure how this is gonna pan out with the cats. But I love it, and if I have to put it in a room and close the door, I'll do that, and when company's over, I'll move it. But I just think this came out very pretty, and I wanted to share that one with you. But this is everything that I worked on today. I also picked up these cute little green, I guess they're for candles, and what I liked is they have the little handle here, and I picked some of those up for decorating purposes, and I just think everything came out so pretty. And I love the truck sign, and I love that it's double-sided so that when you walk in the door and you look at the table, if you're sitting on the couch or whatever, it's the same on both sides. Alright guys, that sums up my full project for this day. I don't know if I'll do any more, but I made a whole bunch of things here, as you can see, and I'm thrilled how they came out. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing how I did this and seeing my outcome of my full decor project. Seeing what you could do with Dollar Tree items and make them your own one-of-a-kind piece. If you like this, please let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.